Hello everyone. I welcome to all of you in class 8. Myself Meghna Sharma will be teaching maths. Chapter 13, Direct and Inverse Proportion. Direct variation. We have direct variation if the two variables change in the same sense. That is, if one increases, so does the other. An increase or decrease in one quantity with a corresponding increase or decrease in another quantity such that the ratio remains constant in direct proportion. For example, if the number of articles purchased increases, the total cost also increases. For another example, I am giving you, more the money deposited in the bank, more the interest is earned. For example, we are giving you the formula of it. Direct variation uses the following formula: y1 upon x1 is equals to y2 upon x2. We can write also like that: x1 upon y1 is equals to x2 upon y2. For example, if y varies directly as x and y is equals to 10 and x is equals to 2.4, find x when y is equals to 15. What x and y go together? If y varies directly as x and y is equals to 10, find x when y is equals to 15. So y is equals to 10 and x is equals to 2.4. Make these y1 and x1. If y varies directly as x and y is equals to 10 and x is equals to 2.4. Find x when y is equals to 15. So we will put it their values. By cross multiplying, we will find the value of x. How do we solve? By cross multiplying and set as equal. Now, when we multiply 10 by x, that is equals to 10x, and when we multiply 15 into 2.4, that is equals to 36. Solve for x by dividing both sides by 10. When two quantities vary inversely, an increase in one leads to the decrease in the other quantity and vice versa in inverse ratio. We have inverse variation if one going a cause the other to go down. An example, this might be speed and time to do a particular journey. For example, if the number of workers increases, time taken to finish the job decreases. If the speed will increase, the time required to cover a given distance will decrease. Inverse variation. With direct variations, we divide our x and y's. In inverse variation, we will multiply them. x1 into y1 is equals to x2 into y2. In inverse variation, if y varies inversely with x and y is equals to 12 and x is equals to 2, find y when x is equals to 8. So we multiply 2 into 12 is equals to 8 into y. So we will find the value of y, that is equals to 3. Inverse variation. If y varies inversely and x is equals to 18, when y is equals to 6, find y when x is equals to 8. So 18 into 6, because x1 and y1 we are multiplying, so 18 into 6 we are multiplying, and 8 into y we can take and we will find the value of y. Thank you all of you. I hope you all will understand very nicely.